Howdy, folks. We're back again and live at 9:53, battling for Gary's Yak Face figure. There he is. 10 spots. We got good odds here. I'm going to copy this list and take it over to random to find our winner. Paste them in there. There they are, 1 through 10. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least 5. We got a 6. We're good to go. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Spencer, round 1. Josh, round 2. And round 3. Matt, round 4. Josh, round 5, which brings us to our final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And the winner is Steve Stanek. And at number 5, congrats, Steve. Here's the verification code. XFVSGP. Steve Stanek, number 5, is the victor. I'm done at 9:54 p.m. There she is. Again, here's the official results. Congrats. See you next time, guys. Thanks.